Our ingredient for serving up delicious dishes is cooking with propane. We service restaurants of all different capacities and are on call 7 days a week.
My name is Chris Bechtel. I'm the general manager and operating partner here at Ludwig's Grill and Oyster Bar. There are many things that are emergency driven in the restaurant business. I know that when I go to bed at night that I don't have to worry about propane being one of them. I know that with a phone call 24/7, County Propane will react almost immediately and have someone on the premises. Their emergency service is terrific, and it's one less thing I have to worry about.
Are you looking to add an outdoor dining option? We can implement a heated outdoor setup that will keep your guests comfortable all year round. When you work with County Propane, you become a part of our family, and we promise to go above and beyond.